if you are somebody who builds chatbots or somebody who is looking to buy chatbots, then the Chatbot Marketplace is for you. You might be wondering, okay, what is the Chatbot Marketplace? The Chatbot Marketplace is something that I invented or that I created as a place where somebody can go to buy or sell chatbots. It's as simple as that. Okay. It kind of goes like this. Chatbot Marketplace is a premier platform that connects buyers and sellers in a dynamic world of chatbot technology. As the founder of Chatbot Marketplace, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the innovative space where businesses, developers, and entrepreneurs can come together to buy, sell, and exchange cutting-edge chatbot solutions. Meaning it's literally a place where if you create chatbots, you can go and put your chatbot on my platform, and there are people out there that want to buy the chatbots, and those people can come and buy it off of my platform too. And when somebody buys it, you know, depending on how much the price goes for, depending on how much you charge for your chatbot, you get a percentage, you get a cut. And at the end of the day, we build a community of people who love to build chatbots and a community of people who love to buy chatbots. And so the chatbot community is like the main, foundation behind it all. Okay. My vision, okay. At Chatbot Marketplace, our vision is to revolutionize the way chatbots are accessed, created, and utilized. We envision a world where every business, regardless of the size of the industry, can seamlessly integrate intelligent chatbot solutions to enhance customer interactions, streamline processes, and boost overall efficiency. Meaning, no matter what company you have, no matter how big, no matter the industry, no matter the size, you can use a chatbot to increase efficiency. You can use chatbot to streamline your process, and you literally can use chatbots to just overall improve your business in one way or another. And so if you're somebody who understands this and you build chatbots, this is why I want to create, or this is why the marketplace was created for both of these people, okay? Somebody who loves to create chatbots creates it for somebody who really needs a chatbot, and their business grows, they become more efficient, they make more money, and at the end of the day, the person who created the chatbot gets rewarded, and it's a community of people who create, and people create and sell, and a community of people who buy and explore, okay? So you might be asking, okay, like, even though I don't think there's any other company that's about to make a chatbot marketplace the way I am, you might be asking, okay, like, what sets you apart from everybody else? Okay, well, we have a diverse marketplace. Our platform hosts a diverse array of chatbot solutions catered to different industries and business needs. Whether you're seeking a customer chatbot, an email commerce assistant, or a lead generation bot, you'll find a variety of options to choose from. Meaning, there's no website or platform that you can go to that has a list of chatbots per industry, per category, where you can go and choose a chatbot and buy it off of a creator who created that chatbot. Most places either let you create the chatbot, most people sell you the chatbot, but there's no place where you can go and like specifically be like, okay, I want this chatbot, this code implemented into your business, embedded like it's nothing. Like, I'm trying to change the game. Like, I'm trying to revolutionize the way that people buy and sell chatbots, okay? It's getting crazy. The second thing is quality assurance. Like, I'm so excited that I'm talking fast. Like, I just kind of like want to just say so much, and it's, I'm like really excited about this. Okay. We prioritize quality in every listing of our marketplace. Each chatbot undergoes a thorough review process to ensure it meets the highest standards for functionality, user experience, and performance. Meaning, when you submit your chatbot to a platform, we will test it. We will check to see if it works. If you say that this thing generate me leads, I will go and try to get it to generate me leads. If you say that this thing can support, I will go and try to see if you can support. Whatever it is the chatbot can do, I will go and test it. Why? Because somebody else is going to go and test it too. So we don't want to put a bunch of broken chatbots on. And if something's wrong, if it's not working, we'll email you, send you a message, call you, say, hey, something's wrong, something's not working, fix it. Once you fix it, we put it on our platform. But it's one of those things where we're not trying to put broken chatbots on our platform. Okay. And that's gonna enhance quality user experience at the end of the day, because people get to have good quality chatbots that actually work. Okay. The third one is the customization option. Based off the self solution, we also offer a range of customization services. Buyers can collaborate with sellers to tailor chatbots to their specific requirements. Meaning, sometimes people will charge 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 for a chatbot. You might not want to just pay that much money for a chatbot, but you might want to talk to the person, get a feel for it, see if they can really give you that you need, and we connect you to that buyer and seller. So if you're a buyer who needs somebody who can sell you a chatbot for 20 grand because your company makes 10 million a year and you're willing to pay the 20 grand for like a really good chatbot creator or a team of chatbot creators, then that's totally fine because we can connect you to those people. And if you're somebody who's a chatbot creator and you charge 20 grand a month, and you actually have a chatbot that can literally revolutionize the game, then that's fine. We can connect you to the people who need it. Okay, so no matter what, like I said, you can even customize your own chatbots or buy pre-made chatbots from other industries, other creators, other people that already made it. Okay, and like I said, it's gonna revolutionize the game. Okay, the last one, secure transactions. We facilitate secure transactions between buyers and sellers. A reliable payment gateway to escrow and escrow services to ensure both parties are protected throughout the process. Kind of like how shoe collection, sometimes eBay, they have it to where like there's a third party that takes the money, and until the service is satisfied and service is completed, the money either gets sent back or the money gets transferred to the person who actually completed the service. So it's one of those things where when somebody comes and buys a chatbot, it goes to a third party until that person, if that person uses your chatbot, and if the chatbot actually works, it gets to go on their website, then totally fine. You get your money. But if the chatbot doesn't work, something goes wrong, and you just expect that person to give you 20 grand a month for no reason by accident, then it's like, no, at the end of the day, we're going to give them their money back and tell them, okay, like, tell that guy to call you when the chatbot works better. So at the end of the day, we're going to secure that people aren't getting scammed. We're going to make sure that people aren't getting, finessed. That's one of those things where we're going to take care of our clients, we're going to take care of our buyers, and we're going to take care of our sellers. Okay. This is the objective. Okay. For the sellers, if you, this is the three niches. Okay. Or this is the two niches mainly. Okay. If you're a seller, if you're a developer, AI expert, business owner with a unique chatbot solution, Chatbot Marketplace is the platform for you to showcase your creation. Our platform provides a storefront for your offerings, visibility to global audience, and opportunities to earn your expertise. Meaning, if you know how to create a chatbot and you know how to make an amazing chatbot, you probably have one already made. You probably have one that you're thinking about in the head. Create that chatbot and send it over. Apply to the wait list, join the family, and you literally have an opportunity to have it in front of people. Once you literally get approved and your chatbot gets to go on our website, you're gonna have people automatically come and use your website. So you're gonna have a constant generation generated. You're gonna have a constant stream of income literally from you doing something once. If you build a super nice chatbot, like you're gonna reap the benefits of your reward. Okay, and say you're a buyer. Say you're like, okay, I don't create chatbots, but I want to buy a chatbot. Say you're a business, right? No problem. For businesses seeking AI-powered solutions, Chatbot Marketplace offers a convenient one-stop shop to browse a variety of chatbots, read reviews, compare features, and find the perfect match for your requirement. Our goal is to simplify the process of adopting chatbot technology, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Meaning, if you know what it is that you need help with, the chatbot is there to help you with it. And if you don't know what you need help with, there's chatbots that can help you figure out what you need help with. It's one of those things where whatever problem you have, we can solve that problem. Whatever solution you need, the chatbot will help you get to that solution. Sometimes you might need a step-by-step plan. Sometimes you might just need help. Sometimes you might need somebody to think outside the box. Whatever it is, you might just need somebody to do the repetitive tasks. Whatever it is that you need, the chatbot can satisfy your needs. You as a buyer can get whatever it is that you need from us. Okay, we will do whatever it takes to give you the type of chatbot that you want. If you don't find a chatbot already in the marketplace, we can create one for you. So no matter what, you will be able to get a chatbot that works for you, no matter your size, no matter how old you, how soon the company was started, and no matter how much money you make. There's a chatbot for you. Okay. And the last one is our commitment. Okay. At the end of the day, we have a commitment to the buyers. We have a commitment to the sellers. We are trying to start a community with the buyers and sellers. Okay. So at a Chatbot Marketplace, we're committed to driving innovation, fostering collaboration, and enabling businesses to harness the full potential of chatbot technology. Whether you're looking to buy or sell, we invite you to join the vibrant community to be a part of the future of the customer engagement and automation. Experience the power of chatbots. Explore Chatbot Marketplace today. It's one of those things where kind of like I said, we are going to change the game with this. Okay. It's one of those things where you as a buyer and you as a seller are going to change the game because you guys, the seller will create what the buyer needs, and the buyer can tell us what the seller has to create. And it's one of those things where as people satisfy those each other, as people create things that the other people love, as people come up with ideas that challenge the sellers to help them create chatbots that they never thought that they could create, it's one of those things where we get to build a community, and that's what it all comes down to. This marketplace, I almost made the company called Chatbot Community, but it's one of those things where I put marketplace because at the end of the day, yes, it is a marketplace. Like you can buy and sell chatbots, and I have a vision for it. Like it's like a lot that's gonna go into the thing, but the chatbot marketplace at the end of the day is pretty much a place for people who love to create chatbots to come and showcase their chatbots to people who want to buy chatbots. At the end of the day, like I said, it's just to build a family, okay? And like I said, the chatbot community. Building a chatbot community isn't just about technology. It's about creating a vibrant ecosystem that fuels innovation, collaboration, and growth. I want to see you grow. I want to see you be innovative, and I want us to collaborate and show people the type of chatbots that we can create. I want people to see how powerful chatbots are when it comes to implementing on their businesses. I want business to make so much money. People see how powerful chatbots are, so they come to you and they beg you to create them a chatbot because they finally understand, like, wow, this can actually help my business, this can actually help my company. And then they go and they try to use your chatbots too, and then they show it actually works, and then they're like, oh my god, this is everything that I wanted and more, because that's how it actually is. Your chatbot can actually show you the results and be able to be implemented to anybody who uses it. So if, like I say, if your chatbot scrapes emails, anybody who uses it can get their email scraped. Like it's one of those things where it's gonna do the job. So it's about what people need and a matter of satisfying those needs. And I am sure that I'm gonna have a bunch of amazing chatbot creators that are gonna create some chatbots that even I have never imagined. And I'm sure there's gonna be a bunch of businesses who actually understand the potential of chatbots that are gonna want to use those creators' chatbots to take their business to the next level. And so no matter which one you are, like I said, we're ready for it either way. Okay, ready for it either way. So at the end of the day, what you can do is you can join the wait list. Okay. If you want to be a part of this community, if you want to showcase your chatbot, if you want to be one of the few people that actually get to go on the website when it launches. One more time, if you want to be part of the few people that get to go on the website when it launches, you can join the waitlist. The waitlist will let you tell me your name of the company, tell me who you are, what it is that you do, and then they let you upload the code to your chatbot, and I will embed it to one of my websites, and I will just see how it works, and I will play with it. So you give me a description of your chatbot, and I go, and you give me a couple of prompts that I should put in, go and put it in, and I test it to see how elaborate it is. And the first few I will hand select and hand pick myself. So not only will it be me more, but me and you will join a team, a group of other people that I hand select, and we will all come together. And it's like I said, we will build a community. It's one of those things where all the stuff that you're gonna get is gonna be beyond, like people aren't even ready. It's like a lot of it is gonna be like a surprise. I don't want to, give away all the good stuff, but it's like people are gonna love it. Okay. So you might be asking, okay, like like, are you ready to be the frontier of AI innovation? Like, get ready to unlock the future of customer engagement and automation. Join the waitlist for Chatbot Marketplace, your gateway to world of intelligent possibilities. It's one of those things where, like I said, if you're ready to join the waitlist, then you're smart. If you haven't clicked the link and you're still here, okay, I'll give you 3 reasons why you should join. There's exclusive early access. Become amongst the few to experience the cutting-edge platform that connects buyers and sellers in the dynamic chatbot ecosystem. Meaning you get to see it before it drops. You get to be a part of it before it drops. You get to be a part of the drop. Think about how amazing this would be for you. If you create chatbots, imagine how powerful this would be to your agency. Okay. You can prioritize, you get priority registration. Secure your spot for when I go live. Skip the lines to ensure that you're right there on the door. Meaning, when I not only are you there, but when I have exclusive events, like when I go live, or sometimes I'm gonna make a video where other people leave, but you get to see. Sometimes there's gonna be a Discord part where not everybody gets to be a part of it, and I might message, I might show you what I'm working on, I might give you a sneak peek, but only if you join the waitlist, okay? And the last one is pretty much special offers. You get access to exclusive offers, discounts, and promotions reserved just for our waitlist members. Meaning, the waitlist is gonna close. One more time, the waitlist is gonna close soon. So when it closes, if you're not signed up, you're not signed up. You have to wait till it launches to sign up. So if you're part of the people that get to sign up during the waitlist, not only do you have the potential to actually like have your chatbot on the platform when it launches, but like I said, you get to be part of the few that actually get to be like the founding members. So if you want to be part of the founding members, join the waitlist, okay? Because it won't be open for long, okay? That's pretty much all I have for today's video. Thank you. Like and subscribe. and join the wait list. That's all I have to say. If you don't join the wait list, you're gonna see this thing launch. You're gonna see all the people that are talking about how much money they made, and you're gonna regret not joining. So it's one of those things where, okay, like you could wait a month, 2 months, and see how rich people get, or you could enter the wait list by simply putting in less than 5 minutes worth of information and have the chance to take your agency to the next level. So you decide. You decide. Okay. Like I said, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you're excited, if you have any suggestions, if you have any remarks, if you just want to say whatever you want, leave a comment in the comment section. Okay. But like I said, this marketplace is going to change things. This marketplace is going to revolutionize things. And I can't wait to see how things go. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next one.